Look, Adam's got him one. Tony, you got another one? Or is that the same one? Here he is, right here, man. God, that's a nice fish. Tony! That's a nice blackfin. That may be the biggest one we've caught so far. You caught that on a gas station, right? How many seconds were you down, Tony?
Oh, 30.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead, dude.
Oh, I'm gonna get a break.
Hey, Hassel. Come here, man.
Yeah.
Come here, man. Grab that rod right there that Tony's got. He's fixing to go take a break. And drop that joker straight down 35 seconds.
All right.
Like 35, 1,000, 34, 1,000. Straight down. Take your finger off of it. And then at 35 seconds, man, close that bail and just start reeling up. Trey, you got your fish up?
I got a fish.
You got down 35 seconds?
Yeah.
Reel it up fast as you can.
I can smell it. Come on, baby.
Drop it down drop it down about another 20 seconds, John. Oh, get your finger on the line. There you go. Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
All right, now straight up, straight up. Fast as you can, get up there to the top.
Oh.
Keep your legs spread apart, dude. Oh, you don't have boots on.
Well, I gotta get that next.
All right, let's drop him. Here, hold it. Hold it.